Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator in a Hyundai Accent. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, gather all your tools, including a new alternator, various wrenches, and a ratchet. Make sure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner and loosening it to take the belt off the alternator pulley. Carefully disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. You might need to maneuver it slightly to free it from the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time to install the new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting brackets, ensuring it aligns correctly. Insert and securely tighten all the mounting bolts. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring, making sure each connection is snug and properly seated. Double-check that no wires are pinched or loose, as this is crucial for proper function. For the final steps, reinstall the serpentine belt onto the new alternator pulley and adjust its tension according to your vehicle's specifications. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Start your Hyundai Accent and observe the dashboard warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging system voltage. It should read around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. This confirms your new alternator is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.